Good morning, guys. Hello, everyone. Just want to show you something. Here are the barge boys. They take all the woods that we don't need anymore. That is just lying around, and they're cleaning the cottage. Ayan. Yung binan kong lalaki tumawag siya. Meron kasi ditong company na tagalinis ng mga cottage. Yan, kumuha siya ng siya ng mga tao na kukuha ng ayan sila, oh, ayan, binibit-bit nila yan. Ang bigat siguro. Yeah. Yes, I think that's very heavy. Look, they're struggling. And that's the one I wanted to put my garden in. And they can't even lift. Wow, they're very strong. Look. So they're taking that away because sometimes it's very scary. If you get lightning, sometimes it can turn into a fire. So that's why my father-in-law, he's very careful. So he's trying to clean everything, all the woods that we don't need anymore. He's throwing them. And old mattresses, pretty much all the garbage that you don't need. So they come here and pick you up. There's a company that does this. They take all the garbage from your cottage, and they had that big boat, and that's where they load all your junks. So my father-in-law actually booked long time ago, and they're very busy. They just literally came today to do this job. So there they are. Everything fine, leaf. There you go. That guy is carrying some leaf. It's like a branch from the tree because it's very pag nasunugan ka yan, madaling yan mag-apoy. Kaya yan, pinapakuha ng binan kong lalaki lahat ng mga basura na malakas masunog. Ayan, kinukuha nila yan. Ayan, tinatapon. Hindi kasi pwede dito mag ng apoy kasi nakakatakot. Kasi minsan hindi mo makontrol. Kasi lalo na pag mahangin, ayan, baka maano kasi yung cottage, masunog. Kaya nagbabayad na lang kami ng kukuha ng mga ganyan. Yan. Oh. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy these little clips of mine from all the way to Kenora, Ontario, Lake of the Woods. There you go. I know that kung sino man nanonood dyan sa taga Pilipinas, sasabihin ninyo, oh, dapat sinunog na lang, ganito, gano'n, nagbayad pa kayo. Pero hindi pwedeng sunugin dito sa cottage kasi wala kaming place. Baka masunog kasi. Hindi makokontrol yung apoy. Ayan, kaya nagbayad na lang kami ng kukuha ng mga dahon-dahon, garbage, lumang kahoy, yung pinaglumaan ng mga duck, ayan. Ganyan. It's nice morning today, guys. Look, the water is very calm. That's all for now. Bye, everyone. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share. Thanks a lot. Talk to you again later. Bye.